Hello everyone, welcome to handzy.craft channel. In this video I would like to show you unboxing of my new huge haul from AliExpress with new marvelous dies and stamps. They all are so cute and gorgeous and also high quality, so I decided to make giveaway of set of beautiful and colorful die cards made with those dies from various cardstock. You will find all links to products in video description below. To know full details of this giveaway, please watch this video till the very end. Now enjoy watching my video. All the cards that you see on the screen are the main prize in this giveaway. I will send them to the winner free to anywhere in the world. Giveaway details: you are 18 or older, you are a subscriber of my channel, like this video, leave a comment with the name of country you are from. The winner will receive all. One more bonus: second winner who will fulfill the conditions on this competition will receive die cards made by Sizzix dies, which you can find in my previous shopping video. Follow the link on the top. The giveaway will end at midnight 21st of September. I will announce name of winners in a pinned comment. Thank you for watching. Good luck. See you next time.